What's up, KDP sellers, Amazon KDP sellers? In this video, I'm going to reveal another Sunzu niche. On top of that, I'm going to milk this plastic cow. Check this out. Okay, so let's get started. First thing I want to show you before I show you this new micro niche is the queries that people on Amazon are searching. Okay, let me show you right quick. Let me scale this down right here. Okay, let me scale that down right here. Very good. Here I am again. Okay, here we go. Base 10 blocks workbook. Okay, now check this out. If I go to Sunzu, again, I can't stress this enough. You get over 60 plus different presets, all of them different niches, some bigger than others, of course. Here's another micro niche. My last micro niche tutorial was more popular than my major market one, so I thought I'd go back to the micro niche, showing you what is possible. So anyways, I highly recommend you check this out. Also, you can also go to our keyword tool. By the way, so this is free for everyone. If you are watching this, I'll have a link to this down below. Where you go, members perks. Okay, all members can get this, access this, and go right here to the KDP keyword finder and take this base 10 blocks. I haven't searched for this myself on our tool yet, and look at that. Look at all that, all those queries, all those search terms people are searching for. Excuse me. Anyways, so we know this is a niche. Check this out. It's a micro niche. Let me blow this up for you. Only 47 results. Okay. And, again, this is not a huge niche, but very few results coming up for this. And everyone's selling. Everyone's selling. Okay. Everyone has reviews here. I want to say almost everyone. Yeah, some of them are like physical toys, but a lot of them are just workbooks. Okay, this is the first one that it isn't selling. Well, let's find out. Maybe it is selling. I'm looking for that BSR. Okay, yeah, this one is selling. It has a BSR. Okay, I don't know. I don't care if it's selling once a month because of our tool. What used to take you weeks or months, you can now create in mere minutes. So this is really cool, right? So why not get in here, create a base 10 blocks book and publish it on Amazon KDP? Why not, right? Because again, I'm going to show you right quick, okay, how fast you can do this. Let me scale myself down even smaller. Okay, here we go. Okay, so here I am on bulk, of course. I'm going to keep it at 8.5 by 11. Okay, this trim size here. That's your default trim size for Amazon KDP. You can go square if you want to appeal to a kids market, like 8.5 by 8.5. But I think we're going to keep it at default. Okay, very simple. We're going to scroll down here. And we're going to actually, I'll put in Control F. Let me show you where I found this, because there's a plethora of different niches here. Put in base 10, and here we go. Right here we go. There's medium and easy, right? Really cool stuff. Okay, and all of them, again, I highly recommend you dive into Amazon or our free keyword tool right here and search these niches out. Okay, some, like I said, will be bigger than others. But because the ease of this, creating these workbooks, why not enter as many as you can, right? Okay, so let me go to, how many do I want? I want to go, well, let's see what this one here has, how many pages this person has. And we're going to start using that as a starter. They only have 88 pages. You got to include solutions as well in that calculus. So we're going to put in I'm going to put in 100. Put in 100. Actually, that's way too big for a book. I'm going to put in 70. Add the queue. Simple as that. Okay. And overwrite whatever we have. Okay. And click generate. Click generate. And it's generating still our book. Okay. generating our book, right? And there we go. Just like that. Okay, we're not done though. We have essential pages we want to keep, or sorry, we should add. We need an instructional. You just click and blow it up for you. Wow, that's way too big. Let me shrink that down. Reset. Okay, cool. Instructional. Click the plus button here, like that. And we also want, you can also add your own instructional if you want. You can always go to ChatGPT or Gemini, ask it to create an instructional workbook guide for your, for example, what is this again? Base 10 blocks workbook, and it's going to spit one out. You can just use this T button, this text button, T button, this text button, and just copy and paste it in there. You can do that as well. Let me take that and let's go with what we also want to add a copyright. So copyright. And we're going to call this, remember, I know I'm a broken record, but it's really important you hear me out. Your copyright title, your book cover title, and the listing you have on Amazon, KDP must all be the same. Okay, so remember that. All this Ike's base 10 block workbook. Click OK. It's going to generate that. While it's generating, oh, it's already done. Sorry. While it's generating, like I've had I believe in the past 3 or 4 videos, I'm asking people who are watching this to comment down below with a special type of code word. So, for example, last time I asked what they had for dinner. Today I got something special. I have milked a plastic cow. I want you to count, if you don't mind. I mean, if you're too busy, I completely understand. I want you to count how many times I squeeze those udders. Let's check it out. Okay, here we go. I'm about to pull plastic milk out of this plastic cow. I also want to know in the comment section down below, just so that I know that you're watching, how many times will I pull on the udders? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got some. Okay, be good. Okay, there you go with that. Now we have our book done. We have our copyright. We have our instructional. Again, if you want to put in your instructionals, it's easy as going to ChatGPT. You can use free ChatGPT. Ask it to give you a workbook guide. Make sure it's to your liking, and just add the text button, copy and paste, and there you go. Okay, really important. Now let's export this bad boy. Let's export a single PDF. We have a book of 142 pages. 70 pages are the problems. The other 70 are the solutions. And we got 2 more copyright and instructional. That makes a total of our book. Okay. Now, again, your book cover is extremely important. And I'm going to have a video down below. If you're watching this on YouTube, I highly recommend. So here's the blocks here. Draw 10 base blocks. Okay, so there we go with that. And here we have the solutions, right? In the back with the red. Anyways, I'm going to have a video for your book covers down below if you're watching this on YouTube, because your book cover is extremely important. You don't want to skip that at all, because that's your first impression. Okay? Anyways, thanks for watching the video until the end. Let me know if you counted how many times I squeezed the udders on that plastic cow. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.